What's up, yo? Finna show y'all how to make this pepper burger. You know what I'm saying? Real quick up in here. You know what I mean? First, you wanna take some lemon pepper. You know what I mean? Whatever brand you choose. Preferably in this order. This is the order that I do it in. Lemon pepper. And you're gonna take some red pepper, cayenne pepper. Lemon pepper, red pepper, black pepper, black pepper, and some of this, you're gonna get some of this Montreal steak seasoning. You know what I mean? Never mind the brand, duh. You know what I mean, man? You're gonna sprinkle all that in that order up there on that burger. You know what I'm saying, man? Caramelize you some onions, get you some onions to grill you some onions. You know what I'm saying, man? Myself, I cook this in the stove, but you're gonna grill this, you know what I mean, man, until it's cooked on both sides to your preference. You know what I'm saying, man? I'm gonna finish off. I'm gonna show you how to finish this off in a minute. You know what I mean? I'll be right back. All right, so we back with the fully cooked burger. And the finisher for this is you're gonna need you a slice of pepper jack cheese. You're gonna melt that over the burger, and you're gonna top that. You're gonna put that on a brioche bun. Right here, brioche bun. All right, so you're gonna melt the cheese, put the onions on there, and we're gonna eat it up. And you know you're gonna be all good. You can get you some chips or something, throw them up on there. I mean, man, you straight. You know what I'm saying, man? I'll holler.